What are the different types of graduate degrees available to study abroad?
The different types of graduate degrees available to study abroad are: master's degree, postgraduate diploma, postgraduate certificate. A master's degree is a full-time course, usually 1 to 2 years, in a particular field involving intense study with a series of modules and a dissertation, research work. Different master's degree options include: taught masters, these are more modules, lectures, seminars and timetable oriented, as in the case of Master of Art, Master of Science, Master of Engineering, MBA, etc. These are usually of 1 to 2 years duration. Research masters, they are usually guided by a supervisor and involve more research work, offered by many universities such as Masters of Research, MRES, in different subjects and specializations. These are usually of 2 years duration. Postgraduate diplomas, these are short-term, vocational courses offered by different universities. They help boost your career prospects and provide you with the required skills. Usually of 8 to 12 months duration but may extend to 18 months. Postgraduate certificates, these are also short-term postgraduate level courses, mainly focused on a particular subject or area of specialization, and you can do them while continuing your job. Are usually of 6 months or lesser duration. For more details, contact our student support team on 9303424242 or write to us at contact@ubergrad.com.